Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best window air conditioners available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Frigidaire Window-Mounted Room Air Conditioner. Frigidaire is probably the company with the best engineering department. In their window AC portfolio, they include the super quiet 12,000 BTU Frigidaire FFRE 123 WAE window air conditioner that lives up to the Frigidaire name. The Frigidaire FFRE 123 WAE has a very narrow interval of operation as far as the noise levels are concerned. At the low-speed setting, this quiet 12,000 BTU window air conditioner generates 244 CFM of airflow and 57 dB of noise. At the highest setting, the airflow is increased to 300 CFM and noise levels to 59 dB. As such, this is a very quiet window air conditioner, albeit it's not the quietest of them all. Obviously, 12,000 BTU is quite a lot of cooling power, and Frigidaire FFRE 123 WAE needs a higher, 300 CFM airflow, to achieve it. The energy efficiency is very high. The 12.0 ER rating is one of the highest in the industry. This is an electricity-saving device and has even earned the Energy Star rating for eco-friendliness. The best part of Frigidaire is the reliability. All of their window AC units are extremely durable, built to last. It's not unusual for a Frigidaire AC unit to last 20 years. Frigidaire FFRE 123 WAE is one of the quietest 500 square foot window air conditioners. With 12,000 BTU, it can cool down spaces up to 550 square feet, but it has a quieter operation if you run it on 90 opacity in 500 square foot room. On top of all that, the Frigidaire is the essence of reliability. Number 4. Haier 6200 BTU, Ultra-Quiet Window Air Conditioner. Haier is one of the best-known producers of HVAC designers. Fortunately, they invested in engineering a quiet 6000 BTU window air conditioner, a Haier Serenity model. Serenity is, like TOSOT Tranquility, a marketing term to communicate how quiet their window AC unit is. Let's look at the noise levels. Haier Serenity has a wide 42 dB to 52 dB noise level interval. As such, it is below the 60 dB throughout the interval and is truly considered a super quiet 6000 BTU window air conditioner. It generates up to 200 CFM airflow. A low airflow generates less noise, which is exactly the point. What is more, all Haier AC units tend to have above average energy efficiency. Haier Serenity has an extremely high 12.1 ER rating. It's as energy efficient as it is quiet. It's designed to silently cool smaller rooms up to 275 SQ. Realistically, it is recommended to be used in rooms up to 200 square feet for a low noise operation. At 100% full capacity, it will produce 52 dB of noise, but if you run it on 80%, the noise levels can drastically decrease to 42 dB. As such, this is the quietest Haier window air conditioner. It's easy to install on a windowsill of a smaller room and, given this is Haier, it's very reliable. Number 3. Keystone 5000 BTU Window-Mounted Air Conditioner. Keystone KSTAW05B is the smallest quiet window air conditioner. There are not that many 5000 BTU window AC units. Among those, the Keystone KSTAW05B is the quietest. However, despite being smaller, it's not exactly as whisper quiet as bigger units. For example, Keystone KSTAW05B produces 55 dB of noise, still extremely low for a window AC, at 129 CFM. At a lower speed, 100 CFM, the lowest noise level is 49 dB. For a 5000 BTU unit, it also has very good energy efficiency. Keystone KSTAW05B's ER rating is 11.2. Keystone KSTAW05B is the quietest 5000 BTU window AC unit that can be engineered. With bigger units, engineers have more options of how to reduce noise levels. Keystone KSTAW05B's weight is only 40 pounds. It's quite a challenge to cram all the noise-cancelling insulation and the inverter compressor in such a small unit. Nonetheless, Keystone KSTAW05B is, despite not being the quietest among the quiet window air conditioners, reasonably silent. In fact, it's the most silent 5000 BTU window AC unit and available at a heavily reduced cost compared to other quieter units. Number 2. Soleus Air Exclusive Quietest 6000 Window Air Conditioner. Let's first cover the Soleus Air Exclusive's noise levels before we check the superb saddle design. Soleus Air Exclusive has an amazingly low noise level interval. In fact, this is the quietest 6000 BTU window air conditioner. At the lowest speed setting with 170 CFM airflow, the Soleus Air Exclusive generates less than 40 dB of noise. 38 dB to be exact. With increasing noise levels, of course, the noise levels are increased, but even at the highest fan speed that generates 270 CFM airflow, the noise levels are still ridiculously lower. 49 dB is the max noise level. Soleus Air Exclusive is a testament to how a little bigger air conditioner can cool a smaller room quietly. At top speed, it will generate 6000 BTU of cooling power, enough to cover rooms up to 275 square feet, at 49 dB. However, if you put it in a 150 to 200 square foot room, you can run it at a low speed setting. Effectively, you will generate about 4000 BTU at only 38 dB noise level. That's quieter than a library. Apart from being an incredibly silent window air conditioner, the design of Soleus Air Exclusive is essential. The saddle design means that the AC unit doesn't sit on top of the windowsill, steering the view. Rather, it is saddled on the windowsill, giving you a view almost as clear as without the AC. Here's how it looks on the windowsill. Soleus Air Exclusive is also one of the most energy-efficient quiet window air conditioners. It has a superb 12.1 ER rating, with an optional energy-saving mode. What is more, 8000 BTU Soleus Air Exclusive is also available and has a similarly low noise levels interval. All in all, the Soleus Air Exclusive is one of the best quietest 6000 BTU window-mounted air conditioners with the space-saving saddle design. Number 1. TOSOT 8000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. TOSOT Tranquility is a window AC unit that was specifically designed for quiet operation, hence the name Tranquility. Every aspect of the unit is engineered to make as little noise as possible. Overall, this is the absolute quietest 8000 BTU window air conditioner currently on the market. Tranquility has a variable airflow output, with max the airflow of 212 CFM. The top operating noise level is 49 dB. However, if you put it in a room that is a bit smaller than the recommended 350 SQ Fort, the noise levels can drop as low as 42 dB. This is a whisper-quiet 8000 BTU window air conditioner. On top of being the quietest unit, TOSOT has taken care of secondary specifications that are of utmost importance in the long term. The very high 12.0 ER rating indicates just how energy efficient TOSOT Tranquility is. Running a 12.0 ER 8000 BTU window air conditioner, for example, will cost less than $100 per year, as low as $65. For installation purposes, the width of quiet window air conditioners is important. TOSOT Tranquility is 21.4 inches wide. Do account for that when measuring the space on the window. Of course, the installation kit should include insulation on each side of the unit. In short, TOSOT Tranquility is the quietest window air conditioner with as low as 42 dB noise levels. TOSOT is known to produce highly energy efficient and reliable units, and they have specifically designed TOSOT Tranquility as the ultra-quiet 8000 BTU window air conditioner.